multiply 13 by 5, you would have to do 4/5 times 3.
4/5 times 3? Why would we do that?
So that you can get 5 times 3 is 15.
Yeah, but 4 times 3
And 4 times 3 is 12. Now which is bigger?
15.
No.
Yes, it is.
Avery's asking which is bigger between 12 over 15 and 13 over 15.
Oh.
12.
Oh,
13.
Which? Alright, guys.
13.
What we just did, hold on, let's look real quick. What we just did is we multiplied 4/5 times 3 over 3. Because if we multiply it times 3 over 3, we're just multiplying it by 1, right? It's just making it, it's just unsimplifying it, basically. And so we multiplied it by 3 over 3. And we got 12 over 15. Is 12 over 15 the same as 4/5?
No.
Yes.
They're equivalent fractions. 4/5 and 12/15 are equivalent fractions. We just made sure that the two denominators were both 15 so that we can compare the two and see which of those two fractions are bigger. So, we have 12 over 15 and 13 over 15. Which of those two numbers is larger?
13 over 15.
13 over 15. So, we would just put a less than sign there. Because 12 over 15 is less than 13 over 15. Great. Okay, let's do it with number 2. So we have -2/3 and -7 over 10. So, let's do the same thing here. We have to find a common denominator. What would our common denominator be when the two we have are 3 and 10?
30.
30. So how do we get 30, something over 30 from -2/3? 3 times 3 times 10 will give us something of 30. So 3 times 10 over 10, or 2/3 times 10 over 10 is what?
20 over 30.
20 over 30. -20 over 30, right?
Yeah.
Great. So then we have -7 over 10. How would we get that? We would multiply it by what? What am I multiplying it by, guys?
3. 10.
By 3 over 3. So what's 7 times 3?
21. Sorry.
21 over 30. So we have -20 over 30, -2/3, and -21 over 30. Which one is bigger?
-21 over 30.
Ooh. Someone raise your hand and tell me which one's bigger.
Mom, go first.
Joshua.
-2 over 3 because negative meaning the shorter the number, the bigger.
Oh, I get it.
Good job.
Good, yeah. It's -2 over 3 because -20 over 30 is closer to 0.
Oh, that's mine.
-2 over 3 is what? Bigger or smaller?
It was interesting.
-2 over is -2 over 3 larger or smaller
Larger.
than -7 over 10?
It's larger.
It's
Larger.
larger because it's closer to the 0 on the number line. Good. Everyone, grab your whiteboards.
We have whiteboards?
Everyone has a desk, so